Hi, I'm Janelle Derrick, educator with bareMinerals, and I'm here today with my friend Gina. So tell me a little bit about what you're looking for, Gina.
I'm looking for a concealer that'll really help cover my dark under eyes.
Okay, well, I have the perfect product for you, BAREPRO Concealer. Easy to use and 16-hour wear. It's also really good for that gentle, sensitive area under your eye. So I'm gonna use a flat synthetic brush to apply this right to your under eye area. This concealer is full of botanicals and hydrating ingredients, and we're just gonna press anywhere you see darkness. So I used a brush to apply, but if you don't have a brush, you can use your fingers. It'll be a little less coverage. Now I'm gonna show you a trick to contour and highlight with them too. Currently you have concealer under your eye for color correcting. I chose a darker shade to contour your cheekbones. And I'm using a fluffier, soft brush and just gently pulling forward, and you'll see how that contour instantly appears. So I just want you to make a couple dots under your cheekbone and then go ahead and use your thumb to blend it out. And see how easily they blend?
Oh yeah, it's like a natural contour too.
Yeah, what do you think?
I love how it accentuates my cheekbones.
Beautiful. So our last step, Gina, is highlighting. So now I have a color that's a little lighter than your skin tone. So this time we're applying above the cheekbone. See where it hits? Where the light would naturally bounce off that cheek. And then just gently blend it in with a soft brush and allow it to melt into your skin. Now the best part about these, they're water resistant, smudge resistant. They stay on for 16 hours. So once you put them on, it's gonna work as hard as you do and stay on all day. You wanna go ahead and try the other side?
Let's do it.
Perfect. Now take your thumb and you're gonna put a little bit of pressure on there and blend it in. These concealers are so breathable and beautiful, and they blend very well. You could wear them just like this or put a foundation over top of it. I think you look great, Gina.
Thank you.